Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Greg, and today I'm going to be doing some harvesting of my potatoes. As you can see, I'm going to be using my tractor. It's a Kubota L5240 with a middle buster. It's a Kutter middle buster. These are a great fast way to harvest potatoes, but you will lose a lot to damage, and it does miss quite a few. I already harvested one row and I just used my potato fork, and you definitely get a lot more potatoes that way, but it does take a lot more work. Here's what I have after running the middle buster through. It does a pretty good job of bringing most of them to the top, but as you'll notice later once I'm picking them up, that you'll have a lot of ones you'll have to still dig for, but at least the dirt will be loose. Watch to the end of this video and you'll see a experiment I did on planting my potatoes in containers. I'm just putting them in these plastic totes for now. Later I'll move them to some bags or boxes and put them in my basement. And as I'm looking at these, I try to throw out any of the ones that are really damaged first, so I don't have to deal with them later. And also, as you notice, I got my helper helping me today. This year I planted 3 different varieties of potatoes. I planted these ones, which are Yukon Gold, and then I planted some Russets and some Red Norlands. The Red Norlands are the ones I harvested already. As you notice, my boy's a little bit rough on the potatoes when he's digging them. Now my rows are about 50 feet long. I believe in the spring I started with about 10 pounds of each variety. Here's what I ended up with for the year. I ended up with about 500 pounds. This is about 400 pounds here. The variety of the red Norlands are not showing. I have them stored away already. Here's the results from my planting potatoes in containers. I just had 3 extras I had left over from planting, and so I just decided to try putting them in these containers, and I just put them in compost. Might not have been the right way to do it, but from what you'll see from what I got from them, I do not think container gardening potatoes is a good way to go. And maybe I should have used more fertilizer, but I'm not going to do that experiment again. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button.